Do you remember what Jenny Hoyle said was the thing that blew up her channel in her first year?
Ryan Trahan was doing his Penny series at the time, and he did a hack to get coffee for $1 at McDonald's. And I made a video testing if that hack actually worked. And then I did a couple videos following that momentum by doing more like Ryan Trahan testing his hacks. And then, an audience overlap to Ryan Trahan is Mr. Beast. Then I started testing things from Mr. Beast. And that's what blew up my channel from 1,000 subscribers to 100,000 in the span of a month.
Wow. So you get 1,000 subscribers in your first year, and then in a span. So today we're going to talk about social hacking. Welcome back to the Build in Public Road to 1 million subscribers, where we talk about what's working, what's not working, and what you can try next on YouTube. Social hacking is when you see other creators' content that is doing really well, people that are further ahead of you, and look at their content and trying to find a unique spin to bring it into your own content. Now, recently I took my daughter to go see the Ninja Kidz Action Park in Florida. If you don't know, the Ninja Kidz have over 20 million subscribers. Now, normally I don't post content about the Ninja Kidz, but since I've been posting daily and trying to increase my content output, I figured I'd try posting it. Now, what's interesting is as soon as I started to post the videos, I noticed different data than what I would normally get. For example, I would go over to my reach and I would look at the YouTube search terms, and I would get so many random things like Roblox. My content's not about Roblox, and just random search terms. But since trying social hacking, I've noticed on this video, people searched Ninja Kidz and it actually brought them to this Ninja Kidz video. Here's another video that I made of Ashton Myler from the Ninja Kidz. Go over to the reach, look at the search terms, and again, Ninja Kidz, Ashton Myler. Now let's go over to this Peyton DeLue one that I posted a couple of days ago. Now it has the same thing that we just talked about, where you see Ninja Kidz, Peyton DeLue, like it's actually giving the people my video because of the search terms and the metadata and what my content is about. Social hacking. Now let me ask you a question. Looking here at this audience retention, do you see how it started super high and then I lost people within that last second? Just for context, this is a video of one of the Ninja Kidz doing a bow staff routine, kind of doing some cool ninja moves, doing a flip. And at the end of the routine, what do? They bow. And as soon as they saw it, they immediately left. Which Jenny has shared this before, that we want to make sure that we end the video as soon as we give people what they want. But also, this typically isn't the content that I would post on my channel. I'll probably post a few more videos that are like this just because I have the footage and it's working and it's bringing in some people. But what I really need to do next is start looking for other people that are in my space of what I would like to do and social hacking their videos. What would that look like for you? Here on the channel, we're really trying to post at least one short a day. We really want to increase it. We will get there. But in the meantime, let us know in the comments, how would you suggest we try social hacking to advance our channels?